This MCQ is from NEST 2021 second shift. Question number 5 from that paper. A ray of light is incident perpendicularly at a point A on a rectangular medium with different refractive indices N1 and N2 in a configuration as shown schematically in the figure. The angle that the emergent ray makes with respect to the normal at the point B is. Now, by observation also you can say that it will be 0 degrees, but let us verify it geometrically. Okay, let us verify it geometrically. Because it is incident on the left face normally, okay, or perpendicularly, okay, there will not be any change in its direction, right? There will not be any change in its direction, which means the ray is going to pass through the first triangular part without any appreciable or without any deflection. So it will reach and it will be incident on this face. Have you understood this? Yes. Let us call it phase 1, 2 and 3. So phase 1, normal incidence, no deviation. Okay, normal incidence, no deviation. Now let us draw the normal here. Let us draw the normal here. Okay, and now we need to check or consider its change in the direction. Okay, need to consider its change in direction. Because n1 is not equal to n2, clearly the angle of incidence will not be equal to the angle of refraction. Okay, now it may bend away from the normal, it may bend towards normal, depends on which medium is optically denser. Okay, so let me show it here. Now look, the pairs that we are going to get here, okay, the pairs of angles of incidence and refraction we are going to get here. Okay, which angles, which pairs? This pair and this pair, they will actually get repeated on the other face. Okay, they will actually get repeated on the other face. So let's show it here. Because these are parallel, right? The hypotenuses of those right triangles, they are parallel to each other. Okay, what does it mean? It means this particular angle, okay, will be equal to this angle. I hope you understood that. That conclusion is important, and that is possible only because the hypotenuses of the two right triangles, they are parallel to each other. Hence the perpendiculars to them, that is the green normals, they will be perpendicular to each other. So both these angles will be same. And because it is again entering the medium with refractive index n1, it must emerge out horizontally. Okay, it must emerge out horizontally. So again it will be this. Is it clear? Okay, so phase 2, okay, sin I upon sin R is equal to n2 by n1. Okay, and then I can say that in phase 3, sin, okay, let me call it sin R prime, which is equal to R upon sine of the angle of emergence, that would be what? N1 by N2. Okay, N1 by N2, and this time that angle of emergence would actually be I. So the reciprocals, right? Because the hypotenuses are parallel, and then when it emerges out, it will be normal. Okay, normal emergence, so correct option is B. Okay, So it will actually face lateral shift. Okay, it will actually face lateral shift. And secondly, the key point in this problem is the fact that these hypotenuses, okay, let me call them PQ and RS, because they are parallel, we got that particular relationship. Okay, because PQ is parallel to RS, we get option C.